Hey, good day everyone. I've got this VEVOR brand workbench here for an unboxing, assembly, and review. Here's almost everything that came in the box. This is everything. This is all the hardware minus the wood pieces. Got it all laid out. I like to lay it out like this for organization purposes, and I can grab a piece and assemble it, just following along with the directions. And here's the other pieces that came in the box. I got these standing up so I can grab them as needed, but there's two pieces of wood here. One's thinner and one's thicker. And then this is the pegboard and a couple of little pieces of board there too. There's how it's supposed to look after assembly. Okay, step one is install the lower workbench support. So I'm gonna grab a short leg and a long leg and connect it with piece 3. I'm gonna do that twice. It also distinguishes between left and right. That's the 2L for left, 2R for right. We're gonna put piece 4 in there afterwards. We got 2 longer ones and 2 shorter ones. Grab those 4, and then there's 2 piece 3s right there, and then the piece 4s are right here. I'm gonna take them out and set them aside. Piece 4s, piece 3s, and then our legs. Okay, for installing these piece 3s, that longer part, that part goes towards the top, oriented like this. You wouldn't want to install it like that. Here's a little tip here. What I did is I took this mallet too and helped knock it down into those slots. Just lightly tap right there. Kind of lock it. Right, here's step 2. This is install the upper workbench support. Now right here, I'm going ahead and installing piece number 3. This piece number 3 is identical to these 2 down below here. I installed it, and this piece 3-1 is going to go on the right side, just like that piece 3. We're going to put it in right here. This piece here with the VEVOR logo on it on the front. This is piece 6. It's going to go right on the front here. We're going to put a piece 6 right across the back there as well to match this one. Okay, we're going to now take fasteners 21 and 22. And then this is piece 18. We're going to put that in conjunction with piece 7 right here in the back. Go in there just like that. And then the front looks like this. Put that other fastener right through there. Tighten both of them down. Went ahead and did the same thing with the front too, except there's no plate that goes on there. Next step is to go ahead and install this 8L, 9R, 9L, and 8R pieces. Those are the ones with the drawers on them, the rails. I'm gonna go ahead and install this 8L piece first on the farthest left. Okay, there's 8L. Notice I have this towards the front, and this with the tag on it's facing out this way. Now we'll go ahead and do the same thing for 9R, 9L, and 8R. Okay, you'll notice these middle 2 also, they attach right there. Now it's time to assemble the drawer and install the drawer guide. So we'll take all these pieces here and put this drawer together. All right, for the next step, we're going to use piece 10, 11, 12R, and 12L. And then this piece is piece 19, and then the handle as well. We're going to use these little guys here, piece number 23 and 24. Okay, what I did here on this piece number 10, this is the front, went ahead and attached this handle. And those nuts there are 7mm. By the way, these other ones here, these big ones, the nuts that attach these are 10mm, so 10 and 7. Okay, now we just slide that piece in there and then we'll put the back piece on. All right, first drawer is assembled. All right, got the drawer put together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slide it right in here. I'm gonna match this up with this rail right here. Now we'll do this same thing right over here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take piece 13L and 13R. So 13L is just going to go right in here. This is for our top portion. Install that, and then same thing on the other side. Got our 14R piece here at the top as well. Same thing on the other side, the 14L. Now we'll go ahead and put this piece up. Now we'll go ahead and take these fasteners and put them in just like this. I got the nut facing this way because I don't have anything sticking out from the back here, and that way I can sit flush with the wall. We're gonna go ahead and put these everywhere in this board and attach it to this angle here. Okay, got this step done. Now moving on to step 5, we're gonna install this top piece right here. That's our piece right there for the top. Okay, now we're gonna mount this light up above here. We're gonna put a couple screws right through here that are gonna go to these pieces here. These are gonna go up underneath, just like this. That way this can snap into here, like that, with the nut facing up. So I think you can do it either way. I just wanted to make sure there was enough clearance for this light to snap in there. There we go, got the light all installed. Okay, got the light in. Next I'm gonna go ahead and put the power box in here, the plug-ins, and then I'll put piece 15 down below and piece 16 there for my tabletop and shelf. Okay, there's this. I'll go ahead and put the cord through this hole and then mount this thing out here. And I'm putting this in right there with these little guys. I got my piece 15 down in there. When I put it in at an angle like that, brought it in and set it down. It went in there no problem. I'll put the piece on the top. All right, there we go. Well, this is really nice too. You can turn that on, hook your power up here, and you got USB right there as well. Then we'll take these things and just pop them in here. You can hang stuff off of